as the ratchet turns.
It's Monday morning. This vehicle came in to get some work done and got it up on the rack and found some pretty significant rust issues. So, get your vehicle inspected. Just finished up putting a Jasper transmission in the H2 Hummer. Just got back from test driving it. Everything seems to be good to go. Don't forget, with Jasper you get a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Give your vehicle a new life. We got the Nova 2 all back together, ready to go. Brian finishing up on the Ford truck. Also new suspension parts installed, brakes, calipers. We have Patsy Swink with us today. She's one of our great customers. She just came in for some tires and
yes, we did.
An oil change. And,
hey, we wouldn't go anywhere else but Jim Van Dyke's Automotive
And
Center.
I've got some good news for her. Her oil change today is free.
Shut up!
Yes.
Oh, you guys are the best. What would I do without you?
Houston, we have a problem. The drive shaft. Yeah, the drive shaft exploded. Yep, it's done.
Fall is here, and along with cooler temperatures, it brings great rewards thanks to the return of the Cooper Tire Take the Money and Ride event. For a limited time, you can receive up to a $100 Cooper Tires prepaid card when you buy a new set of 4 qualifying tires. For more information on great Cooper tires, stop out and see us or give us a call, 740-335-2000. Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center.